Hello, it's Cam at Motor Match Stoke showing you today this used BMW 5 Series M Sport Touring finished in light bluish grey. This 2020 model comes with a 2-litre 520D engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The front headlights with the iconic BMW shape will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility especially at night. This car stands on 19-inch alloy wheels with the M-Lite M double spoke design. There is around 570 litres of usable boot space capacity in this car, making it an ideal family car for luggage items and or shopping. The boot can also be closed with just the push of a button. Stepping into the back of the car, we can see the black interior as well as the Dakota Leather black seats with the exclusive stitching. There are ISOFIX points fitted to the seats in the rear, and there is a fold-down armrest which does house a set of cup holders. There is also a rear AC unit for the passengers to utilise, as well as 2 USB-C charging ports. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of the black interior with additional silver trimmings on the dash and doors. The front seats continue the same Dakota leather, this time with additional side support for extra comfort on those longer journeys, and they are electronically adjustable. Here's a closer look at the 3-spoke multifunctional leather-wrapped BMW steering wheel, with controls on the left for the cruise control and on the right for the volume and virtual cockpit. The virtual cockpit has different display options, including driving data and media options. The main touchscreen infotainment system can be operated via a dial on the centre console and displays things such as media with Bluetooth, as well as radio, FM, DAB, hands-free telephone to take calls while on the go, as well as satellite navigation with maps. And by putting this car into reverse, the rear view parking camera will be displayed. Below the infotainment system, there is a dash console which does include the different AC controls, as well as the heated seats, which have varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions. In front of the centre console, there is a slide cover tray which will reveal 2 cup holders, as well as a place to store your phone with a USB port. The centre console itself is where you will find the mode selector with Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro, and the leather covered armrest can be opened up to reveal a storage pocket with a USB port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this used BMW 5 Series. For any more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.